Alright guys, so we are actually right now in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We kind of took like a little, what do we call this, like a Valentine's Day mini vacation, like 2-day vacation. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'm gonna show you guys the hotel room. I'll let you guys know later where we're staying at, but it's actually pretty nice. It wasn't that expensive, and I've never been to Myrtle Beach. I've heard, although we've had, what are you doing? He's like checking everything, like somebody's gonna come through the window. And by the way, he made us get a more expensive room because he wanted like the ocean view. So I'll show you guys tomorrow, because it better be worth it.
That's right.
Let me show you the room.
Want to sleep good.
So this is the door, and when you enter, it has like a little thing for your teeth here. The bathroom is a little small. I think this is like the smallest bathroom that I've like ever seen, but still clean and pretty cute. But yeah, that's the bathroom. And then we have like a little safe right here, and then some hangers, and then this is the room. It has 2 beds because like whatever, I don't really care. That was like the most reasonable. Oh. You're gonna break it. That was like the most reasonable one that we found. So it has 2 beds, like whatever, we'll use this one to like just put stuff. And then it has a TV, has some coffee, has a little fridge. It has a little Keurig. Hey, it has oh yeah, so it's called North Shore Oceanfront Hotel and Resort. And then it has a microwave. Yeah, and it has a lot of space for like your clothes, and then some towels, and a little table. Who are you checking?
Oh, seeing if there's like, you know.
Okay, sure.
Like cameras or sensors,
okay.
or audio stuff.
And then out here, you want to open it?
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna be able to see a lot, but you can hear it. Okay, that's what you wanted.
Oh.
That's the ocean right here. And then we're actually in the 7th floor. Oh my goodness. The pool.
Oh, okay.
So he really wanted to stay here, so. You happy?
Yeah.
Come on, sir. Looks dark, but
I know.
whatever. Nice. My hair looks a little crazy. Oh, it feels good outside though. It's not really that cold.
You said it was good where?
Outside.
Oh yeah.
Not that cold.
It's fresh.
Look how nice it is in here.
Oh.
So nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Somebody was
Smoking, yeah.
smoking.
These are the things that they have. I like that they put it in here, so we won't forget. Yeah. Oh yes, Mama is happy. Oh, this is good. It's like sizzling.
I know, still.
Lucky. So now I'm waiting on Josue, like always. All right, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. And it's really cold, so it's not what I expected. But it should get warmer later, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so today's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day, people.
Valentine's Day.
I reminded him.
No, you didn't. I knew. Come on.
Lies.
Now.
Lies. It's really bright. You put in chapstick in the background. Fancy. How do you feel with your fancy coffee?
Complete. Satisfied. Coffee's give you a demonstration, but I've already poured it. So my second round.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, so we are going out to eat right now. I found this really small restaurant. What? She forgot the keys. I found this really small restaurant. Like, what? I'm talking to the camera. What? Talking to the camera.
You said what?
Oh yeah, I thought you were talking to me. But yeah, I found this restaurant by the beach. It's really cute and they just opened because it's like cold still. But hi Lou.
Hi.
So we're gonna go do that and then we're gonna play some mini golf. There's not a lot to do just because it's like still cold. But we'll find something.
There's a lot of people arriving now that the weekend started.
Yeah. It's like really empty and so I was like getting scared that nobody was here. But it's because
where are the people that I don't want to talk to, but where are they?
No, it's because we came on Thursday. Nobody's gonna come on Thursday. So now that's Friday, Valentine's Day. People are starting to come.
Which elevator?
This one.
This one, because we heard it.
But yeah. They had crab legs in the picture too. That place. Yeah.
Nice.
So crab legs. I feel like I'm not pregnant with the shirt. Like it's like big, so big. And I feel like I haven't ate that much today. So it's like low.
Happy hour.
Oh my god. The seagull.
Mexicana. Pista Mexicana.
They have a lot of restaurants over here.
Mexican.
Like a lot.
Yeah.
A lot of seafood places too. But oh, Carrabba's Italian Grill. That's like one of my favorite places. It could be a little too salty sometimes. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we're on our way to the place and it's so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys. It looks like. You excited, sir?
Yeah.
Sir?
Ooh, and on the water.
He's on the water. He loves stuff on the water. He's been wanting. He wants everything on the water. Every time we try to look for a place back in New York, he wants on the water.
Yeah, so he's like, you know, next to the water, harbor, whatever.
Yeah, so he got it. See, look, another seafood market.
Oh my goodness.
Let me show you guys a little bit. Oh. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
Bien?
Muy bien, yeah.
My Valentine's for today. You look nice.
You do too.
Thank you. We are at Pier 14. It's good. Just recording me.
Yes, recording.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it looks good. Hey, la luz está buena.
Yeah.
What you got there?
Shirley Temple.
Shirley Temple.
It's really good. That's why I always got so. It's good.
Ooh. Where are we? Pier 14?
Pier 14. In Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're gonna get Pier tacos. And it says popcorn shrimp or gahi tuna topped with slaw and chipotle ranch served with crispy fries.
Okay, which one's that one? That's the
Last one.
last one? That's the Pier taco. Okay. ¿Qué pasó?
Oh my god, how good.